And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash. Hi, Sea Lions. Thank you for celebrating the Week of the Military Child. Bye.
This is Sea Lion leader Louis Amari with this week's announcements. It's Teacher Appreciation Week. Let's practice kindness by celebrating your favorite staff member. Fishing in the gym is back on Monday during 4th and 5th grade lunch. Violin rehearsal is after school on Monday at 2:20 p.m. in room 13. Project Seek is excited to announce that skate night is back. Get your roller skates and join the fun at 6 on Monday night. Attention 4th graders, we are having a Sacramento info meeting in room 39 during lunch on Tuesday. Bring your lunch and learn about the upcoming trip. Violin rehearsal is after school on Tuesday at 2:20 p.m. in room 13. Secretary Day is on Wednesday. Be sure to visit Miss Carrie, Miss Chandra to share a message of appreciation. Fun on Wednesday continues with Teacher of the Day. Have a great time being head of the class. Imagination Machine is back on Wednesday. All students will visit the auditorium to watch some stories come to life. Attention 5th graders. The middle school socials are happening at Oak and McAuliffe on Wednesday at 3:30 p.m. Enjoy your first visit to the middle school. McGaw's Teacher of the Year, Miss Taylor Martin, is being celebrated by Leif and the district on Wednesday night. Congratulations. The Military Poetry Slam is happening on Wednesday night at McGaw at 5:30 p.m. Wear your Start with Hello shirt on Friday and remember to call people by their name. Friday is the last day for our wonderful upper grade teachers, Miss Aline Lee and Miss Wendy Kavanaugh. Thank you for all you've done. Sea Lion Awards is on Friday. Can't wait to celebrate your accomplishments. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
We got a robber.
Nice. High five. All right.
UTK.
We're going to kick things off by celebrating UTK student Kayla Karimi. Mr. Blake said that Kayla saw a pair of scissors left on the ground. So, to be extra careful, she asked and then picked them up to put them away. Way to go, Kayla. You were super responsible.
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Kim wants to celebrate kindergarten student Elwin Chen. She says Elwin is a consistently hard worker in class. She puts 100% effort in everything she does, and she is just simply amazing. Way to go, Elwin.
First grade.
Mrs. Monteleone wants to celebrate first grader Aubrey Arguedas. She said that Aubrey had a great week and was a kind friend to everyone. Thanks so much, Aubrey.
Second grade.
Mr. Larson wants to celebrate second grader Quinn Darby. He said that Quinn makes McGaw a better school because she works hard, she tries her best, and she always treats others with kindness. Thanks, Quinn. You're a school leader.
Third grade.
Ms. Cruz wants to celebrate third grader John Wynn. She said John was an amazing mystery student. He was focused at all times and respectful with his violin. Thanks so much, John.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias is super impressed with fourth grader Emerson Virgin. He said that Emerson stayed and helped set up for open house with our parent volunteers. Thanks so much, Emerson.
Fifth grade.
And finally, Mrs. Julia wants to celebrate fifth grader Julia Bazushka. She said that Julia was being kind on the playground by sharing the jump rope with a friend that asked. We appreciate your kindness and thoughtfulness, Julia. You're amazing. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!